In this video, I will show you how to import products from Tradelle to Shopify. Visit Tradelle and log into your account. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard with sections like Product Picks, Current Trends, and My Products. Browse through the listed products. Now, click on any product you want to sell. This will open the product detail page. Scroll down to the bottom of the product page. Click the Import to Shopify button. This begins the import process. A window will prompt you to select the Shopify store you want to import to. Choose your store and then click Next. You have the option to enable automated fulfillment, which allows Tradell to process, fulfill, and ship your orders automatically. Keep the box checked if you want this feature, then click Next. After 10 to 60 seconds, the product will be successfully imported to your Shopify store. You will see a green check mark indicating that the import is complete. And that's it. We've just imported a product from Tradelle to Shopify in a few simple steps. This tool makes dropshipping fast, easy, and seamless. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.